All right, we just got to our new spot here at Tiger Run, and we're getting ready to set up the Kodiak ultralight. And first thing that we start with before we do anything else is that we level it side to side. Okay, so I wanted to share this little tool that I use right here to get the camper level side to side. And I'm also using the Levelmate Pro app, and using an app on the phone. We've already got the Levelmate Pro installed in the camper there. So I've got the app set up right here on my phone. It's really hard to show it there because of the glare, but the passenger side, which is this side right here, is 2.5 inches low. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and use the little leveling wedges here, and then pull up forward on them, and then it will correct the level there. Okay, so I'm going to show you these guys right here. These are the ones that we use, and it'll raise it up approximately about 4 inches if you need. So you got 2 of them for both axles. You also have the chalk that goes on the other side once you get it level where you want it. So we'll just go ahead and put it right in the center of the tire, and I just kind of stick it under there with my hand like that. Come up here to the other one, do the same thing, just right in the middle of the tire. Okay, and these chocks are going to go on the opposite side of the tire once we pull up. So as I'm pulling forward, I am going to be watching the app and make sure that I come up approximately 2 inches, because as I said in the previous video, once we move the slide out, it's going to twist the camper about a 1/2 inch low on that side. So the 1/2 inch low on this side, it'll correct itself. All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. And I don't have to tell him to stop because he's using his app to see how far he needs to go. Looks perfect.
Okay, our little wedges work perfectly. We raised it up 2 inches, so we're going to go ahead and take the other chalk. We're going to slide it right in, all the way in there, just like that. Over here to the other one. And just make sure it's nice and even and square with the other wedge, just like that. All right, and then so the next step we're going to do right here, I'm going to chalk the other side with the tire chocks, and then we're going to come in here with our X chocks and make sure this thing stays right where it's supposed to be. All right, so we're on the driver's side. We've got the wheel chocks down there. We've also got the X chock in the center, ready to go. All right, we got our X chock on this side. The passenger side, it is good. We are ready to level it front to back.
Fantastic.
Again, using the Levelmate Pro. Perfectly level. All right.
Nice.
Just like we want. We are 1/2 inch low on this side right there. When the slide goes out, it is going to twist over that way, and it's going to be perfectly level. So our Kodiak is ready to use.
Yay.
Let's go do it.